Hello, welcome to RowShare. This tutorial will give you a quick tour to help you get started. Let's start by creating a table. Here we've got three options, from a blank page, from an Excel file, and from a template. So let's first start creating a table from a template. RowShare offers a catalog of table templates for every situation. Here I will be choosing this Team Task Manager template to start. Here we go. You can create a task here, let's say, confirm attendance. Then you can set the priority by choosing from this drop-down menu. Let's put it to high. Add a new column by clicking on this plus button and choose the column type from this option. For example here, I'll be choosing the column of type comment. To input a comment, simply click on the row. To delete a column, simply click on the column header menu. Then you can assign the task to your team member by writing down his or her email. The person to whom you have assigned the task will receive a notification email. So now, let's say that I am Donna. I am accessing to the table that Megan has created. It is written in here that you can only edit your rows. As you can see, I can see all the tasks available, but the menu is limited. While for my own task, I have all the menu available. And there is a circle with my initials. So now, I'm back to Megan, the owner of the table. Since I am the owner of the table, I can edit all the rows here. I can also decide on how I share my table. As we can see here, Donna will be only able to see and edit her own row. So now, let's see how Donna sees her table. As we can see here, she can only see and edit her own row. Feel free to read your table as a form. Collaborate smarter with RowShare.